Hello, everyone. In our last chapter, we explored real estate and how people live, build, and grow communities. Now, we're diving into something that's more behind the scenes: management consulting. Have you ever helped solve a problem in school, like organizing a class event or helping your group work better? That's what consultants do, but for big businesses. They come in from the outside, spot what's wrong, and help companies get better. Why is consulting important? Businesses face all kinds of challenges. Maybe customers aren't happy, or sales are going down. A management consultant helps them solve these problems by offering fresh ideas and advice. Since they're not part of the company, they can see things more clearly. It's like having a coach in sports, someone who sees the big picture and helps the team win. What is strategy consulting? One special kind of consulting is strategy consulting. This is about helping companies plan their future, like what new products to create or where to open a new store. Strategy consultants don't just help with today, they focus on the big goals, the 5-year plans, and the moves that can make a company a leader in its industry. How consultants shape business strategy. Consultants ask a lot of questions: what's working, what isn't? Then they gather information, compare options, and help companies make smart decisions. Imagine helping a toy company decide if it should start selling in a new country. That's strategy consulting in action. Famous strategy frameworks. To do this well, consultants use simple but powerful tools. One is SWOT, which looks at a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Another is Porter's 5 Forces, which shows how strong the competition is. These tools help consultants organize their thoughts and present ideas in a clear way. Why data matters in consulting. Consultants don't just guess, they use data. If a restaurant wants to know why fewer people are coming, consultants might look at numbers like customer visits and reviews to find answers. Data helps take opinions out of the picture and puts facts in the spotlight. Tools for data analysis. To understand data better, consultants use dashboards, like a car dashboard but for business, spreadsheets, and graphs. These tools help them explain complicated things in simple ways so everyone from the boss to the team can understand. What is market research? Before launching a new product, companies ask, what do people want? Consultants find out by doing surveys, interviews, or group discussions. It's like testing a new flavor of chips and asking, do you like it? Would you buy it again? Tools for market forecasting. Consultants also help predict the future using forecasting models. These tools look at past data and guess what might happen next, like guessing how many laptops a store might sell during back-to-school season. Predicting trends and customer needs. Consultants look for patterns. If they see lots of students using a new app, they might tell a tech company to create something similar. Predicting trends helps companies stay ahead and make things people actually want to buy. Why change management is critical. Change can be scary, even for companies. Maybe they're switching to new software or merging with another company. Without help, it can be confusing. That's where change management comes in. Consultants help everyone stay calm, focused, and prepared. The consultant's role in change. They make sure employees know what's changing and why. They write clear steps, hold meetings, and offer support. It's like helping your school switch to a new timetable. Everyone needs to understand and adjust, and a guide makes it easier. Real change management examples. Real companies use consultants all the time. For example, when hospitals switched to digital records, consultants trained the staff. Retail stores also hired consultants to improve customer service. Delivery companies got help speeding up how fast packages arrive. The results? Happier customers and better business. Working with clients' do's and don'ts. Consultants don't just work alone, they partner with clients. That means they must be honest, respectful, and realistic. They can't just say yes to everything. It's better to promise less and deliver more than the other way around. Communication and presentation techniques. Consultants often give presentations to explain their ideas. They speak clearly, use visuals, and make sure everyone understands. They also avoid jargon and use real-life examples, just like we do in school projects. Handling questions and feedback. People will always ask questions, and sometimes they'll disagree. Good consultants stay calm and positive. They use feedback to make their advice even better, and they listen carefully because every question can teach you something. Types of consulting careers. There are many types of consultants. Strategy consultants plan the future. IT consultants work with tech systems. HR consultants help with hiring and teamwork. You can pick a path that matches what you enjoy most. Skills you need to succeed. To be a great consultant, you need communication to share ideas clearly, problem solving to find smart solutions, teamwork because most work is done together. These are skills you can practice in school, during group projects, or even helping a friend. Is consulting right for you? Do you enjoy solving problems, helping people, learning new things? Then consulting might be a perfect career for you. Consultants work in many industries: sports, fashion, health, tech, you name it. Your journey into consulting. You don't need to wait to get started. You're already building the right habits by staying curious, asking questions, and working on your skills. One day, you might walk into a big company and say, "Here's how we're going to fix this." And they'll listen, because you've done the work and know your stuff.